Hello guys, today we'll see why there are 6 cycles in cancer chemotherapy. This is something which is not generalized, but usually it is given in 6 cycles, and today we'll learn why the number 6. Okay, for that you need to know your chemistry and pharmacotherapy first. Okay, pharmacokinetics, I'm sorry. So I know you in 12th, you had studied science. Okay, in science, okay, you had something called as chemistry. Let me start from very basic so that you don't forget. What did you had? You had physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. In physical chemistry, you studied something called as order kinetics. So what order kinetics do you know of? That is zero order kinetics and first order kinetics. Okay, so according to theory, the cancer chemotherapy drugs follow first order kinetics. So what does first order kinetic does? See, what happens in first order kinetic is the concentration of the drug reduces by half. So for example, now you see you are giving a cancer chemotherapy drug. Let it be X. Let us not let us not make it very complex. So you're giving a drug X. Okay, so imagine no, there are 100 cancer cells. This is an example. Okay, they have a lot of cancer cells, but imagine there are 100 cancer cells and you are giving a drug X. Okay, fine. Now when you give your first cycle, 50% of the cells die, and in your next cycle, what happens? It's 25, and in next cycle it is 12.5, and in next cycle it is 6.25, and in next cycle it is 3.125. Correct. So first, second, third, fourth, then you have fifth. So what happens in the last cycle? It is, what was 3.125 by 2? It is 1.1525. Correct? No? Am I right? Yes. So what is 100 minus 1.1525? That is 98%. So it is estimated that when you give a cancer chemotherapy agent, almost in 6 cycles, you're bound to kill 98% of cancer cells. And beyond this, if you see what is 1.525 by 2, it is something which is less, and that will not lead to the reduced number of equation, right? Reduced number of cells. So here there's something called as risk versus benefit. So based on this, they say 6 is the best. Got it? That's it for today. Thank you.